Perkenalkan, nama saya Nurul Afifah, NIM 210111074 dengan mata kuliah Studi Kawasan Asia Timur. Saya akan mempresentasikan materi mengenai Pan-ASIANISME. Pan-ASIANISM, definition, history, and impact. Understanding the ideology and its influence. So, what is Pan-ASIANISm? Pan-ASIANism is an ideology that promotes political, economic, and cultural unity and cooperation among Asian countries. The ideology aims to foster solidarity among Asian nations to counter Western colonial and imperial domination and to promote mutual progress and independence. What about historical background? Pan-Asianism emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries as a response to European and American colonialism and imperialism in Asia. Key figures in the movement came from various Asian countries, including Japan, China, and India. Japan was one of the most prominent countries to adopt and propagate the ideology of Pan-Asianism, particularly in the first half of the 20th century. Japan viewed Pan-Asianism as a way to strengthen its position in Asia and justify its expansion into other Asian territories. Through military campaign and propaganda, Japan claimed to be the leader of Asia, aiming to liberate Asian nations from Western colonialism and create the greater East Asia co-prosperity sphere. Pan-Asianism in World War II. During World War II, Japan used the ideology of Pan-Asianism to justify its invasion and occupation of many Asian countries, including Korea, China, the Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. Japan claimed that it would bring prosperity and independence to these countries, but in reality, Japan often engaged in economic exploitation and military atrocities. The concept of the Greater East Asia Co-Prosperity Sphere was a manifestation of Japanese Pan-Asianism, proposing an economic and political bloc in Asia, free from Western influence. While this idea was appealing to some, in practice it often involved exploitation and oppression of local population by the Japanese military. The end of Japanese Pan-Asianism. The ideology of Japanese Pan-Asianism collapsed after Japan's surrender to the Allies in 1945, following the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan defeated its ambition to lead Asia. After the war, Pan-Asianism saw a sharp decline and was replaced by national independent movements in many Asian countries. Despite the negative end of Japanese Pan-Asianism, the ideology left an important legacy in Asian history. Pan-Asianism inspired many national independent movements and fostered a sense of regional solidarity in Asia. Today, the concept of regional cooperation in Asia can still be seen in organizations such as ASEAN and other economic cooperation forums. Sekian presentasi saya mengenai materi Pan-Asianisme. Dan terima kasih.